Hey guys, today I'm going to show you another way to start your work. Here's an example of a wall hanging that I've made with this pattern. It's a very easy pattern using square knots and double half-hitch knots. I'm creating this pattern without a row of double half-hitch knots at the top. In my example, I use a row of double half-hitch knots. You can decide to keep this in or take it out. This pattern uses 6 strands of rope. Repeat this pattern along your work to create your desired width. Tie 3 square knots at the top of your work. Tie a row of 2 square knots. They should sit in between your first row of square knots. Tie one more square knot in the middle of your work. Using the left strand as your filler cord, tie a row of diagonal double half-hitch knots moving down and to the right until you reach the middle of your work. Using the right strand as your filler cord, tie a row of diagonal double half-hitch knots moving down and to the left until you reach the middle of your work. Tie one more double half-hitch knot with your 2 filler cords to connect your work. That's it, a short and sweet one for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.